Windows Glendale, AZ, is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's aesthetic appeal and functionality. With a variety of bay window styles available, residents can choose from traditional to contemporary designs that complement their home's architecture. Bay window contractors in Glendale offer expert installation services, ensuring that each window is fitted perfectly to provide maximum energy efficiency and visual appeal. Custom bay windows in Glendale, Arizona, provide homeowners with the opportunity to personalize their living spaces. These windows can be tailored to fit specific dimensions and design preferences, allowing for unique and creative solutions. Bay window customization in Glendale, AZ is a service offered by many local specialists who understand the importance of meeting individual client needs. Energy-efficient bay windows Glendale are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce their energy bills. These windows are designed with advanced materials and technologies that help maintain indoor temperatures, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. Bay window experts in Glendale, AZ can guide homeowners in selecting the best energy-efficient options for their homes. Bay window replacement in Glendale, AZ is a service that many homeowners seek when their existing windows become outdated or damaged. Replacing old windows with new modern designs can significantly improve a home's curb appeal and value. Bay window contractors in Glendale are skilled in removing old windows and installing new ones with precision and care. Bay window replacement in Glendale, Arizona is essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of these architectural features. Whether it's fixing a broken pane or addressing issues with the window frame, Bay window replacement services in Glendale ensure that windows remain functional and attractive. Local experts are equipped to handle a variety of replacement needs efficiently. Bay window design in Glendale offers a wide range of options for homeowners looking to enhance their living spaces. From classic to modern designs, bay window styles in Glendale, AZ cater to diverse tastes and preferences. Bay window specialists in Glendale can assist in selecting the perfect design that complements the home's existing architecture. Affordable bay windows. Glendale, Arizona, make it possible for homeowners to enjoy the benefits of these beautiful features without breaking the bank. Many bay window contractors in Glendale offer competitive pricing and financing options to make these upgrades accessible to a wider audience. Affordable bay windows do not compromise on quality or style. Bay window solutions in Glendale, Arizona encompass a variety of services aimed at improving the functionality and appearance of these windows. From installation to maintenance, Bay window solutions in Glendale ensure that homeowners receive comprehensive support for their window needs.